So yesterday we practiced and learned how to round using number lines. Today we're going to use a new strategy. So we're still doing this teak, round whole numbers to a given place value through the 100,000th place. So we're going to use a new, different strategy today. So say they're asking us to round to the nearest thousand. So you're going to have a number and you need to know your place value here because we need to know which one of these is the thousands. So I know this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. They're asking me around to the nearest thousand. So which one of these is in the thousands? It's this 3,000. So I want you to box in whatever place value the problem is talking to us about. And I want you to think of this kind of like an elevator, right? Like an elevator box. And this elevator is going to be sitting on the ground right here. And what do elevators do? Right? They move. So this elevator can go up, can't go down because it's already sitting here on the ground floor. So this elevator can move, or it can stay where it is. Now, the thing that's going to let us know if it's going to go up or if it's going to stay where it is this number right next to it, this number to the right. I'm going to underline it here. So we have a 6. Now the number to the right of your elevator is going to be the number that decides if this elevator goes up or if the elevator stays where it is. Now, if the number to the right is 5 or more, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the elevator is going to go up 1 floor. If the number to the right is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, the elevator just stays where it is. So I have a 6. That means this elevator is going to go up 1 floor. So it's going to turn into a 4. Then all the other numbers to the left, so stay the same. And then all these numbers become zeros. So it rounds up to 84,000. Let's try another one. Let's say 13,621. I want us to round this to the nearest 10,000, let's say. Let's box in which place value is in the 10,000. So I've got 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, right? So here's our elevator in the 10,000. Now the number to the right is going to tell us if it's going to go up a floor or if it is going to stay the same. So remember, if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the elevator moves up a floor. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, the elevator is going to stay exactly the same. So this number right next to it is a 3, which means that this elevator is going to stay the same. So it stays a 1, and everything to the right of the elevator turns into zeros. So 13,621 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 10,000. Let's try a couple more before you guys practice. 8, 6, 2, 0, 2, 9. Just making these up. Okay, how about to the nearest 1,000 again? Okay, let's box in our elevator of our 1,000 spots is what it's asking about. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. Put my elevator around the 1,000. The number to the right will let us know if the elevator needs to go up or if the elevator will stay the same. I have a 0. So if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the elevator goes up. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, the elevator stays the same. So I've got a 0. Is the elevator going to move up a floor or stay where it is? Since it's a 0, it will just stay where it is. All the numbers to the left of the elevator stay the same. And all the numbers to the right of the elevator turn to zeros. So this is your rounded number. So to the left, they stay the same. To the right, they turn into zeros. All right, let's try one more. 772,819. Let's round this to the nearest 100,000. Okay, put your elevator around your place value that it's asking you to. So 100,000, which one of these is 100,000? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So here goes my elevator. The number to the right decides if the elevator is going to move up a floor or stay the same. So I have a 7. That's higher than 5. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So it's going to tell this elevator to move up a floor. So what's 1 more than 7? It's going to move up to the 8th floor. There's nothing to the left of the elevator, and then everything to the right of the elevator turns into zeros. So we have 80,000. All right, you're going to practice some of those on your own next.